Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's going down. It's going down. What? What's going on, everyone? My name is Dez360 and welcome to Flipping Boards, the channel where we teach you how to collect, buy, sell, and trade your favorite skateboards and cardboards, aka trading cards. And that's literally what we're diving into today. We are going to unbox Pokemon cards, and not just any Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards from the 1999, yes, base set era to like the 2000, 2001. So very early Pokemon set cards that I purchased. Obviously, you can see we have a bunch of packages right here, and I'm gonna tell you why I purchased these base set cards, these early Pokemon cards, and why you can still make money off of them. So let's get right into it. The art of flipping boards. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. So if you're a collector, you know about Pokemon. You know Pokemon has had a huge year. People spending crazy money on Pokemon and people making crazy money on Pokemon. So what we're going to talk about today is literally how you can purchase really old Pokemon cards and make money off of them. So what I did is I purchased PSA, so graded cards, and I'm trying to buy them for aka a low price and flip them for a higher price. Simple as that, the art of flipping. So what we're gonna do here today, I'll talk about it as I unbox here. I think we got some good stuff in here, so let's just get right to it. Let's do this episode. We're gonna do 5 cards so I can talk to you about my process and why I did it, and then how you can do it yourself. So let's start here. Number 1, Pokemon. So of course, one of my rules for flipping is just like you want to flip things that you enjoy, because right now I've been looking forward to opening these packages, and seeing what I get. So definitely rule of thumb. And although some people think Pokemon's a bubble, it's not. Everything comes in waves. When you're flipping, you have to watch the wave. There will be times when prices dip. That might be time to buy. There will be times when prices soar. That might be time to sell. So you always want to be aware of the market. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, but I'm taking the tape off of this one. Taking the tape off of this baby right here. Woo! Okay, 3, 2, 1. Blastoise. We got that Blastoise, base set 2 Blastoise, fresh right here. Hey, this one has not been graded, so this is not a PSA. I'm taking a chance with this, and that's literally what it is. Oh my goodness. Spiral. Beautiful card. Don't worry, I'll give you guys a close-up. Takes me back. Well, I have a Blastoise in my hand right now, bro. This is so dope. Base set 2. So Pokemon Base Set 2. And I'm hoping that this card is a PSA 8 or higher. And I'm looking at it and I don't see anything to be worried about. You always get a little bit of whitening. Card looks pretty straight. What do you guys think? Blastoise. Now, how much did I pay for this? Great question. So I paid $110 for this. It's pretty penny, $110. But if this gets graded, PSA graded, and returned, and it comes back at literally a 6 or higher, it's worth at least 150. That's not that much profit. But if it comes back at like an 8, it's worth like over 220. You know what I mean? Closer to 250, maybe more than that. So depending on where the market's at. So this for me, lot of nostalgia involved, and then a possible double up or more, after it's graded. So there's an extra step in this process. But hey, I'm hyped. What do you guys think? Blastoise base set 2 If you own this, I'm all excited. Like the first time I've opened Pokemon in so long, really getting back into it. That's the other thing. You can get back into Pokemon whenever you like. Like, I don't know too much about the new stuff. I am collecting some Elite Trainer boxes and stuff like that, but I know the old stuff. So I'm just like, yo, I'm starting back with the old stuff to get me hyped again, get me excited, and then I can build and learn about all the new stuff. See, Elite Trainer box, the new stuff. But we're gonna use it as a stand right now. Put our Blastoise there, number 1. So fire, I'm so hyped about that. All right, let's move on to the next card. Dun, dun, dun. But yeah, like I said, collect whatever era you like. There are so many cards out there. I mean, collect the era you like and then learn about it and then crush that era. What is this? What is this? Wow. It's good shipping, that's what it is. Take care of the card. Ooh! Oh man, this is a big one, folks. All right, you guys, we just got a PSA card. PSA, dun dun dun. Dark Charizard, Team Rocket, first edition. PSA 9, Flame. Oh my goodness, it's getting hot up in here. Check it out. All right, so we got this year 2000 Pokemon Rocket set. I remember this. Mint condition. Well, it's a 9 out of 10. Dark Charizard, first edition. Non-holo. It's non-holo. So basically, let's talk about this. So I paid around $240 for this, which honestly isn't cheap by any means. But I'm investing. There are a couple things that I'm investing in. One is that the market goes up. It's a Dark Charizard. I've seen these sell for in the threes, in 300 range, you know, and higher, 300 plus. So that's one thing, right? If I want to quickly flip it, I might be able to make a quick 50, 60 just off literally getting it and flipping it. Or certain things I could do is I could wait till like the Pokemon 25th anniversary, which is coming up soon in like 2 years. And then this would probably jump up. Everyone will be crazy. I mean, Charizards are always hype. Charizards are always, you know, people are willing to pay for them, and this is just a beauty. First edition Dark Charizard PSA. So I don't think you can lose with this though. So I just said I paid $240. I watched the market. I haven't seen anything sell for like less than that. I've seen things sell for like $280, $290, $300. Like, so for me, it's like, okay, that's a great investment. Not because I'm spending a lot of money, but because I'm not gonna lose money. I really am not. I'm only gonna make from this. So what do you guys think? Dark Charizard? Let's move on to the next. Okay, next up, y'all. We're making our way. Let's do this one right here. We're gonna do 5 on this episode. But yeah, things that I mentioned, and I'm just gonna say it again. Invest in what you like. Study what you like, the era you enjoy. You can do cards that you know that aren't really going to go down in value. Charizards are always going up, you know. Don't pay a ridiculous amount. You got to look at the, and I'll do another video literally browsing eBay and showing you how I browse, how I find things, because you want to know that you're paying a decent price, or you can get something for a steal price. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. 3, 2, 1, boom. Haha. So we got the 2000 Base Set 2, Pokemon Base Set 2. Again, Blastoise PSA 7. So the thing about this is we have a Blastoise here. We have a regular Blastoise. I'm about to compare these two. This is the game. Like I said, I paid $110 for this, $110. This, I paid around $150, I'm pretty sure. I have to double check. We'll double check, we'll drop the exact. You gotta know the exacts out here. But what I can say is, this is a PSA 7. Let's look at the grade. Wow, that's like pristine condition. I don't even know how this gets a 7. It looks so good. And then I'm looking at this one and I'm like, this is probably a 6. Just because I don't think this beats out the condition this one's in. But hey, you have to find out. You have to, you know, send it into PSA and get your answer. Or you can just sell as is. If you paid 110 for it, sell it for 150, 160, try to get a quick sale. But that's the cool part. PSA versus non-graded. Graded versus non-graded. And you'll see a difference. Graded always costs more, you know, because it's facts. That's a 7. Beautiful card. We got double Blastoise, guys. Let's move on to the next. Like I said, I will drop the prices and show you guys the exacts. How much did I pay? How much does it go for and sell for? Because that's kind of the art. And if you're doing a lot of these, if you're flipping constantly, you'll make margins, you know, gradually. So sometimes you want to go super duper hard. You might flip like 20 cards, 100 cards in a month, which is wild, and you might make few $1,000s, you know. Or you can just keep it casual, make a few $100 a month, but you're having fun in the whole process. Anyone can do it. You just gotta put the research in. The big boys. Hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you are, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and even drop a comment. Let's get right back to it. All right, y'all, let's move on. I'm feeling good. Feeling good about this one. I don't know what it's gonna be. We're about to find out. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going down. It's going down. What? Ladies and gentlemen, double down. We just doubled down. Oh my gosh. It's a scary sight. Ladies and gentlemen, double Charizards. Woo! Base set 2 Charizard. You got your ungraded base set 2 Charizard right here. How you doing? Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. And then you got your graded PSA 6 Charizard. Now this is gonna get very interesting, guys. Why? Because what I paid for these. Now, I paid around 140 bucks for this Charizard, which is like super low, honestly. But then I paid 170 bucks for this one. So honestly, both are super low, because the following week I started looking out online again and seeing these exact Charizard. This one right here, PSA 6, was selling for $250. The same PSA 6 and going up. These are base set 2, by the way, though. They're base set 2, so I gotta asterisk it. Always gotta know if you're talking regular base set or base set 2. So I'm here looking at the prices, watching them fluctuate a little bit. But for me, I got in, the entry point was great, because I think the Charizard dipped a little bit and then they're starting to spike right back up. They might dip again in the future, but honestly, you already know how iconic these are. And these might even be, we might even have a little spiral in there. There might be spiral in there. That'd be amazing. Spiral is like the special holographic part in here where it's spiraling. So we'll see what ends up happening with these. I'm gonna do another breakdown, a video where I just have the cards out after the unboxing, and I'm literally gonna look up every card by price, show you what I paid, and then show you what it's going for. But I'm just super hyped on these. Are you serious? We got our Blastoise, we got our Charizard, fam. It's lit right now. So we'll do a couple more. Actually, we'll do one more. Wow. Look at that. Bam. It's just Flame Boys. Flame Boys in the building. Flame. And the water pump. Alright, so we'll do one more graded. Let's do one more graded card. Let's do this one. Dun dun dun. What is it? I kind of went crazy out here. Guys. I don't even know what it is. Once again, epic tape job. Whoever sent this to me. It's good. You want to do that. So when you're flipping cards and flipping skateboards and sending stuff, you make sure you package it well. Old veteran told me that. Wise words from a wise man. I don't even have my scissors.
1 hour later.
Eureka, we've done it. All right. No, I lied. Pokemon are like art pieces, and if you get, these are iconic. I was a youngster when they first came out, and they're still popping. You know what else is popping? One more Dark Charizard. Yeah, had to do it. I guess that's literally how these things ended up. We doubled down. This is another PSA 9 first edition Dark Charizard from Team Rocket 2000. So I already covered that, and I paid roughly the same amount, same price. So quick recap. The moment I love, where I get to show off the swag. All right, y'all, we did it. Where are they at? We did it. 2 Dark Charizards, PSA 9, first edition. We got a Blastoise ungraded, a Blastoise graded, PSA 7, both base set 2. And then we have Charizards base set 2, 1 ungraded, 1 is PSA 6. Epic pulls. Went out there and hunted, and it's worth it. You know what I mean? Honestly, I'll put up some numbers, how much I spent, how much this is worth. There's gonna be a part 2 where we cover that, and there's gonna be another part where we unbox the rest of these. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Literally, I'll say it again, invest in what you enjoy. You know me, they call me the Pokeballer for a reason. Got my Pokemon skateboard there, Pokeballs. Now I got my Pokemon cards graded, that fire. So thanks for tuning in, Flipping Boards. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.